tutorial with a very current affiliate marketing strategy that can be making you $3,000 to $4,000 a week.
$4,000 a week with affiliate marketing is a lot of money, and we want to know how. And he's using a 5-step process called TALK. Step number L is where all the money is. Let's start with the T.
Step we need is to identify a trend. This is the very first step, this one right here. Finding a trend. Why we need a trend?
Because everybody is looking for it. After finding a trend, we need to verify with audience. But first, let's go and find some trend.
How to find trends? We're going to use AI tool called perplexity.ai. This tool is connected to the World Wide Web.
We have already done the job for you. We found top TikTok trends, and one of them is old money fashion. Now, in order to validate the audience, we'll go to TikTok and look for recent videos. And we found millions of views in many of the recent videos like this one. This video got 22.8 million views. Another one, 23.5 million views. So it looks like it's a great trend with a lot of audience. Now, before we make money, let's find out how we make money. And the answer is marketing. For that, we will use videos, but don't worry if you hate making videos, because now you can use AI softwares that turn any video into multiple short form videos that you can share in the last step in social media and drive traffic to a lucrative affiliate offer. For that, go to ClickBank Affiliate Marketplace and find a relevant, high converting, high affiliate commission paying offer. Get your affiliate link, promote, and make money. However, the problem is companies like ClickBank and their offers will not make you a lot of money. And that's why we do the same thing, but we don't promote ClickBank affiliate offer. We promote high ticket affiliate products that pay out $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And that is how our beginner students earn high ticket affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.